So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make big money using only free interiors off this website I'm going to show you today. So you're not going to want to miss this one, so stick around. Now, if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And before we get into anything, can I just ask you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, as it is very, very greatly appreciated and doesn't take you half a second to do. And I just want to say again, massive thank you for surpassing 2,000 subscribers. The support of you guys has been amazing recently, and yeah, let's just hope for more in the future, more milestones like this in the future. But just all 2,000 of you, I'd just like to say just a massive, massive thank you. And well, if you're wondering where we are at the moment, we're still in my bedroom. I know the backdrop may be a bit different. I've changed a few things with the setup. I've moved the camera around. We've got some cool lights here in the background, and I can also change all the different colours and stuff off my phone. It's really, really cool. I'd actually really recommend buying them if you're looking to upgrade your room with some cool lights. It's very, very cool. But just let me know how it looks in the comments section below. Do you like this new setup? Do you want me to go back to the old one? Would you like me to move the camera somewhere else? All these things are really helpful for me and helps me make this channel a much better place, just by the help of you guys telling me what you think about all my videos. And now let's just hop straight into Google. Now, as you can see, already we have the website up, and it is BookBolt. Now, I have made a video on BookBolt before. If you haven't seen it, leave a link there. Make sure to go and watch it at the end of this video. But I talk about how you can pay for this software, but also there's many great free resources it even has within it, which I'm going to show you today, and how you can make a lot of money just using these free resources. And stick around to the end, because I have a deal with this website, and it's a deal you won't want to miss. Now, when you first go into BookBolt, this is what's going to come up, and what we're going to be using is only the free resources, not anything to do with money at all. And the way you access the free resources, don't have to sign in, don't have to log out and log in or anything. All you go to is here, resources, click this drop down, and here you've got the 3 different softwares you can use by BookBolt for free. And yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at in today's video. So the one with all the free interiors is Interior Wizard, and we're just going to jump straight into this. Now, once you click Interior Wizard, it's then going to bring you to this page, free KDP no content book interiors. And then you just click that button there, and here we have the list of over 100 different great interiors, and these are honestly amazing. Now, obviously, you've got the usual blank pages with numbered pages, and you can choose how many pages you want, which I'll show you in a second, how you can choose all the different pages. Then you've got the normal college rule, the journal, music sheets, build tracker, career plan, home to-dos, monthly to-do. I mean, there's honestly so many. It would take me so long to go through all of these. And you can see the variety of different sorts of interiors you can be uploading onto the KDP platform. Even stuff like this, I've never even seen this before. Polar coordinate paper, never even seen that before, and they are including it for free for you to download. And there's even one like this, the storyboard, which I have made a video on before, the like comic niche and how it's a great niche. And if we go into Amazon now, and if we just search up comic, I don't know, comic notebook for drawing, here we go, click search, and there is only 1,000 results, which that meets our first criteria. And you can see here, first book, top 3,598. This one, the blank comic book notebook, this is very similar to those storyboards that BookBolt is creating for free. And well, the great thing and why I'd recommend doing this is, think of the amount of time it saves. The amount of time it saves, it doesn't cost anything to upload these interiors and these books. And well, who knows if you're going to get a sale. And as you can see, there's other ones such as this mileage log, which I know is also a great niche. And if we just search up mileage logbook in Amazon, there is only 476 results. And does it meet the 3 books inside the top 300,000 criteria? So we've got one here, mileage log for taxes, mileage logbook 197,000, and another one here, 152,000. So there's 3 already within that top 300,000 mark, which is great. And if you've seen my video on creating sports journals, as you can see here, they also include workout logs. And these are honestly great at the moment, especially with lockdown. People are wanting to get fitter. It's something that they've wanted to do like through lockdown, because they've had a lot of spare time, and well, there's a big chance of a second wave coming, so these workout logbooks are gonna be selling a lot more again in the next few weeks or months, depending on when this next lockdown wave will come. But if we just have a look on Amazon again at those, a workout logbook, see what comes up, 811 results. You've got ones like this, bestsellers rank of 1,233. If you want to know how much you're making from a bestsellers rank of 1,233, we go BSR Amazon calculator, 1,233, click book, 1,894 sales per month. And well, it takes half a second to download these interiors. And you can see how many there are. You've got ones like these school timetables, which could also be great now with school coming back after this lockdown period, this 6-month lockdown period they had, or school timetables are going to start selling really well again. And obviously it's quite early at the moment, schools are only just going back, so it's a good time to get into it now, as students are wanting to be able to timetable their days, or even for teachers are going to be wanting to plan their days, and all sorts of things like that. So those are also good news. We've also got ones here like this lesson planner 2, lesson planner 3, just like I was talking about with all these teachers going back and stuff and the school routine coming back to normal. There's all sorts of different ones for teachers, classroom expenses, and you can see they've got different versions so you can mix it up. This is really, really good. This has got a lot of potential to make good money. And well, you can think how long it would take. Not that long at all to create one book with each different interior, doing the appropriate keyword research, making sure it's a niche that sells, and it would take you half a second to download these interiors. I'm going to show you how to download them right now. So if we go to our school timetable one, just click on it like that, then click, well, what do you want, no bleed or bleed. Now with this one, it's not stretching all the way to the edge, so you click no bleed, then change it from 5x8. If you want 5x8, obviously keep it 5x8, but I'm just going to change mine to 6x9. That's what I like to use. Page count 120, that's also what I like to use. Click download, leave it to wait, and then boom. As you can see, really, really high quality stuff. And you've got all the pages all down here in a PDF. And all you've got to do now is click this download button in the top right corner, just click download, and then obviously download it where you want to. So school timetable 6x9, where desktop format PDF document, and then just click save. And boom, there is your first interior of many you can be getting from this website. And yeah, that's really how simple it is. Now, another great thing BookBolt has is not only do they have these interiors up for free, they also have their own designers, so you can mix and match all different sorts of interiors that you get. So here, Interior PDF Combiner Pro, click on that, and then you can click the first page. You can go through every single one of their interiors. So if you wanted to mix up different sorts of planners and stuff, or different sorts of comic book interiors, that's a great thing. So you've got here comic book 1, let's click on that, click the plus, and well, there should be a comic book 2 somewhere, comic book 2, and again, you just go through this process. It won't take you long at all. You can literally just do it off 2 different comic book interiors, just going, switching it up each page. And yeah, the same process of wanting no bleed or bleed. So if with this one, you'd click no bleed again, change the size 6x9, and boom, click download, and that is it once again. It's great. It's honestly great. And they're giving this all away to you guys for free. That's an amazing thing. And they even have one other small software you can use for free, and it's called KDP Category Finder. Now, what this is good for, so if you're familiar with a KDP business, and I'm sure all you guys are if you're looking at these videos, well, you know when it comes to your book, you need to find a category for where you want to put your book. So, you're creating a book about cats, and well, you don't know where to find cats when you go through the categories. Well, what this BookBolt will do, if you just type in cats, it'll give you where you can find cats in each different category. So you can go through non-fiction to pets, cats, then breeds, non-fiction, pets, cats, general, juvenile fiction, animals, cats, juvenile non-fiction, animals, cats. So it just tells you where you can find cats in these categories. And also tell you the relevance. Is it a medium or a low? And you can see all these are medium. So yeah, that's important to know if you're wanting to know like the relevance of your book. Is it worth putting it into that category? And you can go through, so keeping on the theme of pets, dogs, going through, it'll tell you how to get to dogs in each different category, and it's really great. And I'm just amazed how they're giving this all away for free, because I've seen softwares that are making you pay for this stuff. And well, yeah, I'd recommend you guys to get into downloading some of these interiors, creating these books. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, you're going to be wanting now a place to creating these covers. I've got it covered. Now, this isn't for free, but included in the BookBolt software, the one you have to pay for, you get a lot of great things, and included in one of them is a cover, and you can also create your own interior designer here. And I'm just going to quickly show you that now. So I'm just going to go and quickly log in for myself, and if you see my video on BookBolt, you'll know what each of these side softwares do and how great they are. You can steal keywords off your competitors, and you can also download a Google Chrome add-on which can let you get the bestsellers rank and keywords when you're scrolling through Amazon of these different books. And well, it's honestly really, really powerful and really, really effective. And you can also find keywords related to other keywords. So if you want to find keywords related to learning books, well, great thing about BookBolt, you can type in learning books and it'll give you a range of different keywords you can put into your subtitle, your title, to help boost that bestsellers rank. And it's really, really powerful. And they also give lots of different tutorials on how to use each software appropriately and effectively. And yeah, when you guys go and buy this, which I recommend you do, go through all these videos so you know exactly what to do when it comes to wanting to boost your bestsellers rank with this software. And well, like I said, you can also create your own interiors, and you can also create your own puzzle books. And if you've seen any of my videos on puzzle books, you'll know that this niche is absolutely massive. You can make so much money with this. And what BookBolt has? It has its own software where you can create puzzles. And that ranges from word searches to Sudoku puzzles. And if you know me, I was always struggling to find the best places to buy these puzzles and all sorts of different things like that. But BookBolt, it has it all set out for you here. It's called Puzzle Whiz, and you just log in and it'll allow you to create all these different puzzles for your books. But what we're going to be looking at is the BookBolt Designer. Now, if we just open up BookBolt Designer now, what you're going to want to do, well, we're going to be wanting to create a cover for one of our free interiors that we downloaded. So click cover, trim size, well, it's going to be 6 by 9 inches. So trim size 6 by 9 inches, page color, we're going to be wanting it in color, page count 120, keeping with what we used for the interior. Click submit and just give it a couple minutes and it will generate your template. And then once it is loaded, as you can see, we have it here. Now I'll give all the different borders so you stay within the lines, so you don't go outside them, because I know I've had messages from people saying they've had problems when they've come to uploading their books onto Amazon. Amazon have been rejecting their books because they've been going outside these trim lines. And then, yeah, we can select the colour. So if we want a white background, click white, change background to white. If we want it in orange, it will change the background to orange. All these different colours, so forth. And we're just going to go white. And then we can choose the text we want. So let's use this one, Pacifico. We're going to put that in the middle. And say if we're creating our comic book, we just write comic. All you can do is we can get the same one, Pacifico again, type in book. And yeah, you can see how we can go about doing this. They've got all sorts of different things you can do on the side. You can even draw on your own things. So if you have one of those Wacom pads or something like that, and you like doing all sort of artistic things, you can draw on your designs. And yeah, this is something you guys should go in and mess around with, all sorts of different shapes. And they've just made it really, really easy for you guys to make these covers and in downloading these interiors. And even if you wanted to making these interiors yourself to make it even more unique, even effects. And they've made it really, really simple for you guys as well. So you're not struggling with when it comes to creating these books. So yeah, if you want to purchase BookBolt or just look at these interiors, click the link in my description. And now, here comes the deal that they have with this channel. If you go and purchase BookBolt, and you can pay for the $20 per month version or the yearly version, which you do save money with over a year, which is either $200 per year or $90 per year. They have all sorts of different monthly and yearly plans for you guys. But if you use the discount code Mr. Rosa at checkout, you'll get 20% off. So you get 20% off that $200 per year. I think that's a great deal. You'll be saving a lot of money in the long term, and you're getting all sorts of different things, such as creating these puzzles. So you'll be able to target all sorts of these different niches, and you won't have to purchase anything else. And it just saves a lot of time. And well, I can't really say much more about it. I would really recommend you guys look at this. So remember, click the link in my description and use discount code Mr. Rosa at checkout. Now, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you found it useful, and yeah, I really hope you got something from it. Leave a comment down below on how you feel about this software, and if you have any questions for me, or if you just want to say hi, just saying hi to me, anything from you guys is greatly, greatly appreciated. And once again, can you guys hit that like and subscribe button, as it means so much to me. You guys would not understand how much it means to me. And well, got nothing more to say, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.